Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have this question, October 13, okay, and question variant 13, October 13, variant 13, question number 8, and binomial expansion. How to do this question? In this actually question, the last part is some trick in the question. The first part is very easy. So find a coefficient of 8 in this expansion. So I'm going to show one concept here, which is very, very important. Have a look here. For example, here he's asking it that find out x to power 8 coefficient. If I open directly, like if I expand like this as it is expansion, I can show you 4C0. There are two values. Here x come, here 3x to power 2 comes, and here 4. Sorry. Now what is value normally? 4 minus 0 comes on the top, and 0 come on the other value here. The next step is 4C1, then x to power 4 minus 1, and 3x to power is a 4 minus 1 or 1. Repeat, the power of first term is in difference of these two numbers, you can see, and this number goes on the second number. So 4 and 1 difference goes here, and 1 goes here. Now common sense, look at here. I'm getting, what is this x to power here? X to power coming 4 from here. And here some 0 is no. So what here, 4 minus 1, 3, x to power 3, and 2 ones are 2. So I'm getting x to power 2, which become 5. You see that? X power 4, then 5, x power 6, then 7, and then 8. And you know, power is 4. When power is 4, there are 5 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually, I'm going from, there is a one expansion, a 1 term, second term, third, fourth, fifth. I'm going from this corner, then I reach on a fifth. But if I do a small change, then no need to go from left side. I can go from right side also. What is that technique to change it? That is change simple one technique. If I change the order, this one, 3x square in the beginning, and x goes later, like this. Now let's see what happens now. 4C0, there are two values, and 4 minus 0 come in first power, 0 comes second power, and here 3x to power 2 and x here. So now see, 4C0 is 1, something to power 0 is 1, and 3 to power 4 is 81, and 4 2s are 8, x to power 8. So it means that, so I can say that the coefficient of x to power 8 is equals to 81. Actually, what happened here, I expanded this one because 5 terms. In this way, if you check it here, because what is the power here? 1, and here 2. So if I expand directly, I will start from smaller, then higher and higher. But if I change the place now, I'll start from higher power and gradually goes down. So the same story. So same story is here. If I'm looking for x to power 8, if I directly expand, what happened? First I get x to power 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, and it will continue till x to power 10. Why 10? 5 2s are 10. Rather than doing this way, because from here, if I reach, it will take time to reach x to power 8. If I go this way, I can reach easily. So that is why best technique is what? If I change the places, like a 3x to power 2 plus x. So what happens then? 5C0, 2 values, then 5C1, 2 values, then 5C2, again 2 values. Okay, so here 3x to power 2 comes, here x. Here 3x to power 2 comes, here x. Here 3x to power 2 comes, here x. And these two numbers difference come on the top, 5 minus 0, here 0, 5 minus 1, here 1, 5 minus 2, here 2. What is there? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. It means I am getting my answer. So this is turned to be 1 into, this is turned to be 3 to power 5 is 243. And x to power 2 5s are 10. So it is a very clear approach. and sorry for that. And something to power 0 is 1. So here I'm getting 1. So first part is over. And 5C1 is 5, whereas 3, so 3 to power 4 is 81. And this 4 2s are 8. And x to power 1 is x. And now 5C2 is 10. And is a 3, 3 to power 3 is 27. And here 3 2s are 6. And times 2 x to power 2. And my target is achieved. How? Because we know that this is 243 x to power 10. And here 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. 405 x to power 9. And 270 x to power 8. And I'm looking for coefficient. So coefficient of x to power 8 is equals to 270. So I hope so. These 2 points are very, very clear. Let's see the third point, third part. He said again x power 8 coefficient, but he given us the same thing. You can see the same actually in the bracket, but he kept like this. So I'm writing this one as it is, but again my target is x to power coefficient x to power 8. So part number third. So I'm looking for 1 plus x plus 3x to power 2 whole power is 5. Very interesting, same story. If I open directly, here first term is x power 0. It means the first I'll get x power 0, then 1, then 2. So it was very hard to get it 8. If I change the places, like x plus 3x to power 2 before and 1 later, what happened then? Let's see, 5C0, first term into second here, then 5C1, first and second, and 5C2, first and second. I think idea is clear. Okay, here I'm writing x plus 3x to power 2, here 1, here x plus 3x to power 2, here 1, here x plus 3x to power 2, and here 1. Here 5 minus 0, here 0, here 5 minus 1, so 1, here 5 minus 2, so 2. Now, if we check it carefully, 5C0 is 1, the sum to power 0 is 1, and what left further with us? So it means x plus 3x to power 2, power 5 left. 5C1 is 5. Here, what left? X plus 3x to power 4 left. Here, 5C2 is 10, and x plus 3x to power 2, and here we got 3 left. Now, common sense, we are looking for x8 coefficient, x coefficient. So no way in this way you get x. How come? Because 3 2s are 6. Highest power can get a 6. So no way will we come get from here. We can get x power 8 is here and here. How come? Because if you check it, 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. So in both brackets, we have a x to power 8 is available. But check it again, this we just expanded up here. I'm showing once again. This x power 5 I just expanded here. So I will not waste my time. I will simply write this because, because it's same like that. So this is, and this is same powers. So what I'm going to do, these 3 terms I'm copying in the place of here, or even no need, but okay, I can write even all 3, no problem at all. 405 x to power 9 using a help from the previous part plus dot, dot, dot. Okay, now this is done. This is done, alhamdulillah. Let's talk about other one, 5 times 2, this expansion. And keep an eye for, and we done the first part for expansion here. In first part 4, we have x power 8 come one time only. So 81 x to power 8, and then it gradually reduced. So now how to get x to power 8? I'm writing here terms involving x to power 8. How many here? X to power 8 and here x to power 8. And I can say that 270 x to power 8, and this 5 multiply inside with every term, 404 x to power 8. And if I check it, 270 plus 405, it becomes 675 x to the power 8. And I was looking for coefficient of x to the power 8 becomes 675. So I believe the concept is totally clear.